Good morning everyone. My name is Kalyani Tarte and today's topic is digestive system. So the digestive system is used for breaking down food into a nutrients when they pass into a circulatory system and are taken to where they are needed in the body. Even digestive systems function. First one is ingest food, breakdown of food into a nutrient mole. Third one is absorb molecule into a bloodstream. Fourth one, excretion of waste product. Fifth, secretion of fluid. Sixth, secretion of enzyme also. There are four stages to food processing. First one is ingestion, that is taking in food. Second one is digestion, that is breaking down food into nutrients. Third one, absorption, that is taking all nutrients by cell. Then fourth one is egestion, that is removing any leftover waste. The major organs of digestive system are as follows: mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and rectum. Accessory digestive system, that is liver, gallbladder, pancreas and salivary gland. First one is mouth. Mouth is the first portion of the alimentary canal that receives food and produces saliva. Teeth grinds your food and crush the food into pieces. Salivary gland produces saliva in the mouth. So, tongue helps to push food into your esophagus. Tongue function. Chewing, swallowing, then pharynx. Pharynx is the part of the throat that is behind the mouth and nasal cavity and above esophagus and larynx. It is portion of the digestive tract that receives the food from your mouth. Branching of pharynx is the esophagus which carries food to stomach. Esophagus. Esophagus, commonly known as a food pipe, in which food is forward to the stomach. And this is a muscular tube connecting the pharynx with the stomach, and the length of it is 25 cm and diameter is 2 cm. Then fourth one is stomach. Stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of upper abdomen. The stomach receives food from the esophagus. It is a pouch-like or J-shaped organ primarily that designed for a food storage for 2 to 3 hours. Some mechanical and chemical digestion also occur in it. It contains two sphincters at both ends to regulate food. Movement is as follows, that is cardiac sphincter, then it is near the esophagus. Then second one is a pyloric sphincter, that is small intestine. Then the function of stomach is digestion, absorption. Then pancreas. Pancreas is a glandular organ in the digestive system and endocrine. It produces several important hormones including insulin, glucagon, pancreatic polypeptide with the body. Function of pancreas is to control the blood sugar and metabolism with the body. Main types of cells in pancreas: alpha, beta, delta and gamma. Then liver. Liver is a reddish brown color. It is the largest organ and its function is to synthesize and produces albumin protein in bloodstream. Then seventh one is a gallbladder. It is a small hollow organ which stored bile and it is divided into three sections, that is fundus, body and neck. Main function of gallbladder is to store bile juice and also gall needed for digestion. Then small intestine. Small intestine is the part of the gastrointestinal tract between the stomach and large intestine. It has three types: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Then large intestine. Large intestine, it is the part of the gastrointestinal tract, that is GIT. Water is absorbed here and remaining waste material is stored as feces before removing by defecation and secretion. Ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon. It absorbs water and remaining absorbable nutrients from the food. Then further is the common digestive disorder included, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease. Then cancer, heartburn, irritable bowel syndrome, lactose intolerance. Thank you.